Did you know that you could put thumbnails on your Facebook videos just like YouTube, so you get a better click-through rate and people will actually watch more? Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin, helping you find the income that you're looking for online, whether it's affiliate marketing, flipping, reviews, or creating content. We got you covered. So if you don't want to miss anything, make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell notification so you never miss a video. So I wanted to give you this quick tip on how to actually change this out, and also some bonuses of multiple resources on how to create thumbnails. And if you can't create thumbnails to save your life for free, I got a great bonus. It's a paid program that actually does perfect thumbnails. You just got to do a little bit of drag and drop. It's all templates that are proven, and I'll give you that to you at the end of the video. As always, you can find my #1 recommendation to start an online business in the description below, first link. But let's dive in. Go to your Facebook page, whatever you have there. Your private profile does not let you put these thumbnails on, just the automatic generated ones, which stink. But your personal business page will actually let you do this and have a custom one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide over here to videos. Now if you scroll down, see my feature video, that's ugly, that's generated. We gotta fix that here. But if you actually look at all your videos, there's actually what the tag looks like. You can put something really cool in there. So I'm gonna find one, and these are all my playlists as well. So this is a live I did. We're gonna go to this one here. And we're gonna click these 3 dots up in the corner. And we're gonna edit the video right here. And this whole thing pops up. This one actually needs a lot of work. It needs titles, which you can add, tags, a description, but right now, let's focus on just the thumbnail. Now over here, you might have noticed that it gives you this auto-generated thing where it gives you like 10 that you can pick from, and they're all just screenshots from the video. Those kind of stink. You can also, if you really have something good, go down here to frame, video frame, and choose a specific one that you want. Still don't agree with it. You would click save though, and use that. That's not what I'm into though. I like custom. So what we're gonna do is add an image. I'm gonna go to my downloads. I have one in here. Downloads. This isn't the greatest thumbnail, but I made this one real quick on Canva for this video. So click on that, bam, brand new thumbnail. Click save. So now when we go back to our page and scroll down, I don't know why that one's doing it. I gotta fix it. We scroll down, you'll see, bam, what is passive investing? So now I have a new thumbnail. Perfect. So it's a lot more clickable than this one, which we have to fix, where it's just a shadowed out dark image that's bopping around. When people come to your page, if you have nice thumbnails, just like your YouTube channel, they're more likely to click. Now I'm gonna dive into some free places where you can make these yourself. The thumbnail I just made was actually done on Canva, and you can just type in YouTube thumbnail right here, and those are the same exact dimensions. You can use one of their templates or go to blank and create your own. The next one you can use for free, they also have paid versions where you can get a lot more bonuses in all these, is Picmonkey. Same YouTube thumbnail. You can create some really cool stuff. You see here, you can do like outlines and crops, and a lot of it's the paid versions. With the free versions, you have to finagle a few more things to get those bonuses, but you can do it at this. But if you want really good looking stuff that's proven to work, you want this one, Thumbnail Blaster, okay? You just follow the 3 easy steps, select a template, custom edit, and then publish. And these are all based on templates that are proven to have high click-through rates on things like YouTube. Right here, like you've probably seen versions of this one, how to rank in YouTube, where people just cut yourself out, tweak the wording a little bit, and post yourself in there. And you can use these actual thumbnails on your Facebook page as well, or your YouTube channel. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link down in the description below. It's an affiliate link. I make a small commission if you buy it through there. But if you want to save time and not go through the process of learning how to create thumbnails from scratch, you could check out this program. The next thing you can do is learn how to list stuff on Facebook by watching the video right over here if you want to make some quick cache to cover the thumbnail blaster.